In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can verify your account so that you can redeem codes here on Rivals on Roblox. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if codes aren't working, it's because you do have to verify first. What you need to do is just start by leaving the game. So hit the Roblox logo, hit leave, and essentially get on the Roblox game page, just like so, by selecting it. Scroll down on here, you're looking for the little like Discord link. Go ahead and open that up. Hit continue, and essentially what you're going to want to do is open up Discord by accepting this invite, hitting open Discord, and it's going to load you into a page that looks like this. We need to go to this verification page just like so. It's going to say, this server uses a Roblox verification system. In order to unlock all the features of the server, you do need to verify your Roblox account with your Discord account. So you have to hit the button down here, hit complete first, and of course accept the rules. Then hit update my roles, and essentially what you need to do is link your Roblox account. So hit login with Roblox again, visit site. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and then you just got to log in with your Discord and your Roblox together. Hit update roles in server, and you are good to go. When you back out, you'll have full access to the Discord server. You do have to refresh it just like so. And that's the full process. From here, you're able to open up Rivals again, go to the code menu and enter it in, and you should be good to go. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.